Welcome back. So we're going to actually build out and upload our game. So the first thing we need to do is start building our game. So let's go up to File and Build Settings. Double check that we are on the WebGL platform. Switch to that if you need to. Make sure that your breakout scene is in the scenes to build. And then there's one more thing we need to change on this. Go to the player settings. And in that window that pops up, scroll all the way down to Publishing Settings. And then under compression format, we want to change this from whatever it is to disabled. Sometimes the compression doesn't behave well with some of the sites that you can upload these to. And so we're going to use the GitHub compression for what they do instead of our own. So then go back to your build settings. Also, go ahead and open up your GitHub desktop. Make sure you sign into that. In that you've cloned your GitHub page repository onto your local machine here. And so then back in build settings, we're going to build this out. We're going to put that into your repository on your machine. So go to Documents. This is all the default paths. Documents, GitHub, and then mine is this steelvgd.github.io. And I have a folder that I put all my Unity projects into. So that's just called Unity. And that's where I'm going to save it to. I'm going to save this as Breakout. You want your names to be pretty simple. This is going to end up being my URL, so I'd have to type in steelvgd.github.io/unity/breakout. And then there's going to be an index.html inside of this folder that we'll type into. So the easier you can make this to type and understand as a human, the better. So save that. And now we just kind of sit and wait for this to be done. If it does end up crashing somewhere in there, that's okay. Just force quit Unity, open it up, and try again, and just overwrite any files that may have gotten in there already. So let's just double check. Pull up my Finder. Same thing: Documents, GitHub, my Pages repository, Unity, and Breakout. So that's there. So I'm going to go back to GitHub Desktop. This will give you a list of all of your changed files. You will need to give some kind of a summary of what's happening here. And we're just going to upload Breakout. It's a good practice to get into of actually putting in something meaningful of what you're doing here. And then we're going to commit that to the master. And then we're going to push that to the origin. That's going to actually upload it to the internet. So then when you're done, pull up your browser of choice, and let's go ahead and type all that in. So I need to remind myself here. So I'm going to go to steelvgd.github.io/unity/breakout/index.html. And then there is my game. It should load up and actually play. Things are getting cut off on the top. Pull this down or zoom out. And we're good and we're playing. So now the last thing as part of my class is you need to take that link, copy it, and then you're going to make a Google Sites. So we'll be making this portfolio and maintaining it throughout the year. So just somewhere that makes sense in here, like maybe let's make a project page for each game. So I would want you to title this page, write a couple of sentences about what you're learning through these projects, maybe have some screenshots, and then have one that you can actually link to it and play that game. So let's try this. I have this text here. I can make a link, and I'll just paste that in and apply that. We'll make sure that you have your site URL sent to me on Schoology or whichever classroom management system that you're using. And we are good to go. We're all done. So congratulations.